Castle 1721 4S challenge. Let's get this, see if I can get this run in. It's on the car, track, start. I look clear for now. I'm gonna try to get some distance on here. There's a car coming way down there, but lights in the front are not working. Alright. Am I clear? I look clear. 1721 4S challenge. I'll probably be bringing it back. I can't see the car. Put some lights on the front, but they don't seem to be working. Let's see what I got. Let's see how I did. Let's see what I got here. Stop. Come on, 140. 138. Went up 1 mile per hour. 138. Alright. I guess I'll try again tomorrow. It's Castle 7. Oh, I gotta show the stuff, huh? I did gain 1 mile per hour. Gotta show the stuff. Let me see. These lights on the front ain't working. Show what I got here. I put something came out. I tore off. Something happened. Okay. $138. 4S. I think that's 5 wires. 5 wires. Black, all black going into black, red going into red. That's a 1721 4S challenge, 138. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm out.